Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 15.1 question number 5. Use the tables below to draw linear graphs. We'll discuss about question number B. Population in thousands of men and women in a village in different years. Year 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2007. Number of men is 12, 12.5, 13, 13.2, 13.5. Number of women is 11.3, 11.9, 13, 13.6 and 12.8, right? You see you have done a graph, right? The x-axis is taken as the year. Here this is year. This is years. Two 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. And this is population in thousand, right? Population is 11. This is zigzag, that means we have not shown from 0 to 10, right? This is zigzag. Now you see this is 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14 and 14.5. Let us take number of men. We have taken this line, this color of line as number of men. Number of men is 12 in 2003. In 2003 number is 12. This is 12, right? 12. In 2004 it is 12.5. In 2004 it is 12.5, this point. In 2005 it is 13. In 2005 the value is 13, this point, right? And in 2006 it is 13.2. 2006 it is 13.2, this point, 13.2. And in 2007 13.5. In 2007 this point is 13.5. If we draw the linear graphs, we will get the graph like this one, this one, this one, this one, right? And next, number of women. We have colored this green color as number of women, right? That is in 2003 it is 11.3. You have taken this point as 11.3. This is 11, that means roughly estimate is this is 11.3. In 2004 it is 11.9. 2004 it is 11.9. This is 11.9. In 2005 it is 13. In 2005 it is 13. This point is 13. You see, this is 13. In 2006 it is 13.6. In 2006 it is 13.6. This point is 13.5 and this one is 13.6. And in 2007 12.8. In 2007 it is 12.8. This is 12.5. 3, 6, 7, 8. This is rough estimate, right? You draw this line, this one, this one, this one and this one, right? This is the number of women, right? You have drawn these linear graphs. This graph shows the number of men in different years, and this graph shows the number of women in different years. The blue color is number of women and this color is number of men, right? This is population in thousand, that is 11. We have shown is zigzag path, that means we have not shown from 0 to 10,000 people. And population in thousand, this is year 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. We have taken here the axis also, right? Here is taken x-axis. You have taken the scale, that x-axis is taken as 1 unit equal to 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 1 year. 1 unit is equal to 1 year. And on the y-axis we have taken y-axis we have taken 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 0.5. 1 unit is equal to 0.5 thousand. 0.5 thousand. Right, here you see this 1 unit as 1 year, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. And this is y-axis as 1 unit as 0.5, the 11, this is 11.5, this is 12, 12.5, 13, 13.5, 14 and 14.5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.